starlit skies, her voice will soar. Milka Tranina, a legend from yore. Notes that dance like stars at night. In the opera's glow she finds her light. Metropolitan stage, her sacred ground. Every aria pure magic found. Her voice a river flows with grace, enchants the night with every phrase. Nightingale of opera sings so high. Melodies touch hearts as they fly. In the grandeur of the night she reigns. Milka's legacy forever remains. Echoes linger long after she's gone. A timeless spirit, dusk till dawn. With each performance she made her mark. Her name ignites the opera spark. Grace and power in each refrain. A voice like hers breaks every chain. Through highs and lows her talent flies. With every note the spirit cries. Nightingale of opera sings so high. Melodies touch hearts as they fly. In the grandeur of the night she reigns. Milka's legacy forever remains. Milka's legacy forever remains.